Business Group Resources has helped businesses across a range of industries realize millions of dollars in savings. We have achieved this by specializing in incentives, credit services, and profit recovery. These rebates and credits are based on business activities that you may conduct daily. A heavily qualifying sector is the auto repair industry. We have found that auto repair businesses conduct many qualifying activities routinely without knowing what these activities entitle them to. Think in terms of the following: upgrading tools and equipment, testing to meet compliance regulations and safety requirements, researching and making efforts to improve environmental and worker safety, continuously monitoring safety protocols, and improving or determining alternative repair strategies. Additionally, businesses who undertake the following types of activities may be able to benefit from refunds, rebates, incentives, and credits. Implementing technologies like computer diagnostics software and hardware, design and systems performance testing, and troubleshooting specific solutions based on a particular customer's unique needs. These are just a few examples of qualifying activities. The incentives and credits could be a potential tax-saving opportunity that can dramatically impact your auto repair business's financial health. Your business may be entitled to take advantage of these programs. Ask your BGR representative about our incentive analysis that we do at no charge to see if you qualify.